Okay, we're going to do a tutorial on how to install a master cylinder clutch slave. A clutch master cylinder. Because when the clutch go out and all the fluid go out, it's the master cylinder. And this is total crap on how to remove it. There is no external bolts. Try to get in there closer. Right down there, there's no bolts. It's all flush, as you see on the outside. So you have to go in the inside of the car. This is a 1998 Toyota. 1993 Toyota Camry. 1993 Toyota Camry. And so you have to take out this bottom panel right here and place. You have to place your socket right there through this hole under the bottom of the steering wheel. And what that does, after you take those bolts out, right there, those two bolts, that's one side of it. You have to go up in that pocket there, through the bottom of the steering column, and stick that with the swivel on the end into that hole to get that other bolt on the other side for the clutch master cylinder. So I had looked online and I didn't see anything like this, so I thought I would tell people how to do it, and we'll take everything else as already did, taking the bolts off right there on the clutch pedal, and taking the bolt off right there on the linkage, and have that loose. But the only problem you're gonna have is with that one bolt right there inside of that bracket. I'm trying to get it clear. That one bolt inside that bracket is going to give you holy hell. So this is the tutorial, and I hope it's helpful for you.